guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sophia for My Great Challenge. A lot of you have asked for me to do more cooking recipes, so I'm going to show you my recipe for lemon zucchini bread today. It's super easy. I finish it with a nice lemon and sugar glaze, and let me tell you, the kids have no idea there's zucchini in it. I call it a lemon cake, but shh, we're not going to tell them. So here are the ingredients for the lemon zucchini bread. We're going to start with the dry ingredients. This is regular baking flour. You'll need 2 cups of flour. This is 1 1/3 cup of granulated white sugar, 2 large eggs. This is a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, preferably canola oil. You're going to match this with a 1/2 cup of milk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can use regular milk. I'm using lactate milk because we have lactose intolerance. Kids in the house, you'll need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 large lemon, which we're going to zest at a little time, and baking powder, which I don't have. I'm using regular leavening powder from France. And if you have baking powder, you only need 2 teaspoons. And then the final ingredients, of course, is the zucchini, which we're going to shred. You only need 1 cup, so it's 1 large zucchini should do it. These are the zucchinis from my garden. I have so many zucchinis this year. I don't know what to do with them, so we're gonna make zucchini lemon bread. Let's start by preparing all our ingredients. I'm going to zest my lemon. Next, I'm going to shred my zucchini. You see, I've already sliced half of the skin, and I'm holding it with a paper towel because it gets really, really slippery. I'm going to prepare my dry ingredients. In a bowl, I'm going to mix just my flour, the salt, and just 2 teaspoons of the baking powder. Again, I'm using leavening powder, so that's 1 and 2. Give it a good stir. Mix all your ingredients. These are the dry ingredients. Gonna mix that together. Alright, and we're going to set that to the side. In the second bowl, I'm going to break my 2 eggs. And I'm going to use my electric mixer and beat my eggs. And I'm ready to add my white sugar, lemon juice, vegetable oil, and the buttermilk. Again, if you don't have buttermilk, just add regular milk. I'm going to mix it a little bit by hand. And then return to my mixer, and I have to mix them until I get a very nice uniform consistency. Once I have a nice consistency, you see that? I cannot, the oil is nicely absorbed in the whole mix here. I'm just going to go ahead and add my lemon zest. And I don't add it at the same time that I'm beating because I like my lemon zest to stay intact. If I was beating them, they would get all shredded and smaller in sizes, and I really like to have chunks of lemon zest in my bread. So Just adding them at the last second here. And the next ingredient is going to be to add the zucchini. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the equivalent of 1 cup of zucchini. If you want to add more, you can. Which I'm going to do because I like the zucchini in the bread. Now you want to be gentle here as you fold the zucchini into your mixture. It smells wonderful. And I'm ready to add my dry ingredients. So now my dry ingredients are the flour with the salt and the baking powder. I don't want to just dump everything in there. I'm just gonna go little by little. So I'm taking my monkey dish that I used for the salt and I'm just adding a little bit here and gently mixing. And once that's mixed, I'll just go ahead and add 1 more until I've used up all of my dry ingredients. Going to butter the bottom of my baking pan, and don't forget the sides. I'm gonna go ahead and add my mixture to the baking pan. I have my oven preheated at 350. It's gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees and we're going to bake for 40 to 45 minutes. And here's my zucchini bread. I'm just gonna let it stand here and cool down a little bit before I mold it, and then I'm going to make the frosting that goes over it. So I'm going to make a light frosting, or glaze rather, to go over my lemon zucchini bread. And all I'm doing right now is basically getting the juice from a nice juicy lemon. Into my lemon juice I'm going to add the equivalent of 3 teaspoons, nice teaspoons of confectioner's sugar. So how about a slice of zucchini bread? Let's see what it looks like on the inside. It is beautiful. I think it's a really nice bread. I call it a cake for the kids. Of course, I do not tell them there's zucchini in it. You can barely see the zucchini, but again, that's because I've pre-sliced the skin. You could remove all of the skin and then the zucchini would completely disappear inside your zucchini bread and it would just look like a regular lemon cake. So what do you think, you guys? Let's have Scott try it and then I will say goodbye. All right, Scott is going to try the cake. Go ahead, babe.
Hi, welcome back.
Hi.
Oh my god!
Would you stop it?
Wow!
It's just ridiculous.
It's great. It's really good.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, guys, that's it. Lemon zucchini cake. Yeah, the dogs are having some too. All right. Bye, Scott.
All right.
Thank you for trying.
Thank you.
All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this lemon zucchini bread recipe. Don't forget to like and share this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And you can continue to watch more cooking recipes from My Great Challenge. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.